Well, welcome back to day 3 of working on the barn and sheds. I think I'll start off today. I got to finish up those last couple of pieces of tin and take down some of the lumber on this side of the shed. So up here, got those 2 sheets, and we'll work on that right quick and kind of see where we go from there. If I got time today, I will see about what I can do about replacing this 2x8 here from this post to that post. On the other end, it looks like it's okay. So let's see what we can do. Well, got all the tin down. Got some of these cross pieces up here that are already cut off at this main sill. Some of them I'm gonna have to cut off, which is fine. Let's see. Yeah, we can cut those loose. And that'll end up making this top part fall, come down where it's supposed to. Okay, I think there's 2 that I'm gonna have to cut. Just wanted to show you what kind of nasty nails Dad had this in this thing. Ooh. I know these, the small ones, are 20 penny. Hell, I don't know what these are. That's got to be something significantly more. But he meant for the shed to stay together, and like I've mentioned before, it's lived through a couple of hurricanes, so I know it can stay together. Well, don't know much you can see me taking a tumble there. Board knocked me off the ladder, knocked the ladder down, and I came down on it. But appear to be fine, feel fine. Nothing is in particular sore. So I guess I'll keep working. Alrighty. Okay, managed to get the whole shed torn down without killing myself. just just a small tumble. Now I think I will patch this one area of tin on the flat roof. That should go fairly quickly before it deteriorates further. This one has kind of already deteriorated a pretty good bit, and I may wait till I have a little bit of help before I start that. I'm gonna probably have to get somebody to hold up on something while I do some attaching. But we'll see. I might be able to get it on my own. Okay, I figure I'll show you what I'm going to do. This is really the only bad piece of tin on this shed, and it was bad before I dropped the tree. The tree actually growing up in here, you look down at the stumps, that's what actually damaged the tin, and by damaged the tin, it has damaged the, I don't know if you call that a rafter or whatever. It's cross piece on these tin sheds. There's a little bit of damage to that. I'm not sure that I would have to replace it because there's enough solid remaining that I think is something for me to attach to. But what I'll end up having to do is I'm gonna cut off this sheet of tin about back here. I think I have a short that we were using that we pulled off the other end of the shed. take it down, replace that rafter, and slide that new piece of tin in. Well, not new, but used. We'll call it used. We'll slide that used piece of tin in, and that should get this going. Plus, again, replace that rafter too. Got to do that. All right. I think I've decided I'm gonna just go ahead and replace this whole sheet of tin. If I need it, I can always use it for shorts for the other shed, because back half of it is relatively decent, in decent shape. So I think it'd be easier for me, rather than try to cut tin here now, let's go ahead and replace this piece. Well, now that I got tin off, looks like I'm gonna have to replace two of these pieces. Let's walk down and see if I need to do any more. Yeah, I probably need to do that one too. It is kind of sketchy. So, I guess I'll take some of those rafters just pulled off the other part of the shed and use them here. Well, as I was coming back to this end of the shed, I noticed something that might change the game a little bit for me. This main sill, I guess it would be called, main support here, it is gone. So I think that what that tells me is I am probably going to end up just losing this shed, because I'd almost have to tear it down to replace that anyway. So that's disappointing. Remember that, and early on I said I might have to back up and punt. Well, this might be one of them times I got to back up and punt. So I guess we'll call this the end of day 3, and I'll work on figuring out what I'm going to do next. All right. Thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and hope you continue, and hope I continue to produce stuff that you like. And I'll talk with you later.